Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are working on my 2019 BMW X5. I recently did a transfer case service where I changed the fluid out, and here's the video right here. BMW recommends resetting the adaptations in the transfer case. I also learned it's important to use ISTA when doing the oil change so you can open up the oil chambers in the transfer case to flush all the fluid. And I didn't think this would be a big deal, but after looking online and talking with several people, they said definitely reset the adaptations. So today I'm going to show you how to install ISTA. I might not be saying it correctly. There are several things you need to do this. You will need this eNet OBD adapter. Also picked up a Type-C to the eNet adapter because my laptop does not have this plug, but does have a USB Type-C. Other things to keep in mind when installing ISTA or ISTA is that it does take up a lot of space on the laptop. It's almost better to have a designated laptop to install this program. But let's go ahead. I'll show you where to go to get this program. Everyone says it is free online. I've tried to do the free ones, but then I end up having to pay for a subscription for a downloading service. So I end up just going to this link. I'll share the link here. Unfortunately, because of copyright issues, I had to remove the website to download ISTA. But if you send me a message on Instagram, I will send that portion of the video over to you. Alright, so now that we've downloaded the program, we can now go into our BMW and we will get ready to flash it. Also just took the hard top off on the Wrangler because it is summertime. So we'll go ahead and get the laptop and we'll connect into the OBD. First, I'm going to show you the procedure used through ISTA to open up the chamber in the transfer case to allow you to flush all the fluid, and then I'll show you how to calibrate the transfer case when you're done with a fluid change. And now you can go ahead and connect the OBD to your laptop and open up the ISTA app. And then you can go into operations, go to new, and then hit read out vehicle data and hit complete identification. And make sure the key is with you in the vehicle. And once you get here, the vehicle VIN will pop up and you can select it and hit setup connection. And you can see the vehicle turned on and it is in diagnostic mode. It will give a warning here, and then it'll go in and read all the fault memories, and then it'll read all the different modules in the vehicle. And then after it's all read, you can go into vehicle management, and then you go into service function, powertrain, and then this is a warning just telling you the battery is below threshold. Transfer case box VTG. You go into oil change, go to the right. So to do the initial oil change, you can go into here, click the oil change must be changed, and then it'll tell you kind of what you need to do. This is so it opens up one of the oil chambers in the transfer case. So you'll follow these steps, that way it opens up that chamber so you can drain all of the fluid. I did not do this when I did my first oil change, but I'll probably change the oil again in 10,000 miles or so. So then you need to go to finishing work after an oil change. And continue when the service function ended. And then you can go through the process of resetting the calibration. And that is how you reset the calibration for your transfer case when doing an oil change. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Again, thanks for watching.